This color procedures in the HD. The note can be just read for yourself. My goal was to make a pseudo column that would cause seizures impossible at HD to the blue when they would be 20 centimeters within the motion sensor. For my design, I used 5 LEDs, 1 ultrasonic sensor, 1 Raspberry Pi circuit board, Python coding, 1 billion line buzzer. Can't cause NHD. For my program, I decided to use the ultrasonic sensor that would tell 1 more LED to light up every time the burglar got 20 centimeters closer to the sensor, and it would tell an LED to turn on off every time the burglar got 20 centimeters further from the ultrasonic sensor. It also caused the buzzer to sound if it was less than 20 centimeters closer to the ultrasonic sensor, and it could give the burglar an HD possibly. I tested my color roughly 30 times. One thing I would redo is add more buzzers to make sure the burglar stays away or sees the HD. Play. So.
Check to see if your ultrasonic sensor is plugged in. I think it's off a bit, so push it in. And press F5 again. Go to your code and press F5.
Okay, so right now I'm 80 centimeters away from the ultrasonic sensor, but it'll light up now that I'm 60 centimeters, and now 40, 20, and less than 20.
You didn't get
Very annoying indeed, which will definitely keep out whoever tries to come.
All right. Any questions?
Yes.
Why didn't you get NIHD when you did it?
It's because it's very loud, and it can possibly damage your hearing. Yes.
What is NIHD?
Noise-induced hearing disorder. Yes.
Can you put it on the door?
What do you mean the door?
Maybe just like drill a hole on the door, stick that in, and
I guess. Why not?
put a sensor.
Yes.
Is it possible for anybody to go around it, or is it all?
Yeah. So. Yeah, you could. Yes.
How far do you need to be before the lights turn off?
How far do you need to be? Less than 20 centimeters.
Okay. Any other questions? All right, let's give a round of applause.